Hello and welcome back to Valentine's Culinary School. This is a quick little one. I don't have a whole lot of Le Creuset, or I should say enameled cast iron here to demonstrate, but I think it's important to note a few things about this. It's really classic stuff. You know, it rules French cooking in a lot of cases, and it's really durable. It will last you a long time. It's hard to wreck the inside, although sometimes if you heat them up too much, or you get them too hot too fast, you can get some chipping on the enamel, which is pretty annoying because then it starts to rust. This, for example, looks like it's been pretty well abused. You can see the scorch marks on the handle, and but hey, this was new in the 70s, so 50 years old, still going strong, not a problem. Not quite as old as probably some of my other cast iron stuff that's probably close to 70 or 80 years old, but you know, that's nothing to laugh about. I would say always avoid getting things with either plastic or wooden handles, because then they're not oven safe. You want to avoid that. You really want handles like this that are metal and enameled. Those are not going to be a problem. You can use those for all time, basically. This looks like it has some similar problems. This is also a Le Creuset item, but it has some plastic bits. Always avoid the plastic bits. You know, if it's got plastic bits, buy another item. It's really just going to be for the best. May you eat well and be well. I'm Valentine. May you be blessed. May you have unconditional love for all beings. I'll see you in another video.